everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1969 Plymouth GTX. Stunning car, guys. Great car. It's finished in the factory F8 green. It's got the correct performance hood striping, white vinyl top, which I really liked. I thought that really gave this car a very unique look. Factory F8 green interior. Just a super, super nice car, guys. You can see it's got the bias ply red lines with the correct rally wheels. It's an older restoration. Matter of fact, this car was restored in 2005, which is unbelievable, because if you're standing here, you'd think it was done 2 years ago. Great car, very well maintained, all original body panels. Car's only got like 960 miles on it since it's been restored. And like I say, just a great car, man. Again, all original body panels. Almost everything on the trim, the stainless and stuff like that's all original. The car still has most of the original glass. I think the only glass that was changed is the front windshield. Great car. In one of less than 100 factory Super Tack Pack cars ever built. Again, great car. Really hits the road good. Nice car. Buddy of mine, Mike's the one who found me this car. I remember him and his brother Dave are just they're Mopar nuts. And a lot of little things. Like I say, it's got the correct material used on the stripes. You can see these things are just beautiful. They've been all refurbished. The bezels, the grill, it's an NOS grill. Just little things. You can see those little touch-up marks. There's a couple little things you can nitpick, but very, very few. This car is gorgeous. Factory N96 air grabber hood car. Again, this the front windshield has been changed, but the rest of the glass is original. And other than just some little minor scratching, there's not a whole lot to really nitpick in the glass. Car drives out excellent. I really thought that white vinyl top just made this car pop. I really like it. Again, when you look at the glass, it's got all your, original Chrysler emblems on it. Again, you see some scratching down there, but nice car. Oh, factory rear defog. I forgot about that. To make sure that gets in the ad. I just got all the pictures done, getting those posted for you. Got some pictures of the bottom of the car. Pretty car, man. Look how nice those bezels are. Again, all original quarters, all original body panels. You see the car's nice and straight down the sides. That's a good looking car right there. Pretty car. You see they got the drums painted red inside there. This kit does have power front disc brakes. Slick paint on the car. Again, just a lot of little things that immediately Mike started pointing out to me. It's got the correct 054 radiator in it. It's got all the correct hoses, clamps. It's got a, I can't remember the name of the distributor that's in there, but it's actually, it's got a Pertronix electronic ignition in it. The power steering with it still has the original cooler. Even like little things like this. This is how Chrysler did things. Where they had the paint from the engine block still on the battery cable. Original Mopar battery. It's got the correct metal air cleaner on it. Brand new 800 CFM 800 CFM carburetor on it. Factory intake, factory exhaust manifolds. Again, power steering, power front disc brakes. I even took a picture of the underneath of the suspension where Mike pointed out to me right away that, you know, it's even got the correct material on the arms and everything. Here's your original fender tag. I think he said the 597 is what calls this car a Super Tack Pack car. Again, factory air grabber. Nice car. And really hits the road good. And we're gonna go ahead and run it down the road. Our roads are a little bit wet, but not bad enough. I think it won't make a mess of the car or anything. We're battling some rain today. We got a little break in the rain, but unfortunately it's coming back, and then I'm leaving tomorrow, so try to get this thing advertised and on the site for you. Look how nice that A-pillar chrome is. Factory remote mirror, just a little water drop there, guys. They've had to replace those. Those things are brand new. I mean, even, like I say, it's got all the correct markings. Like the car just came down the line. Factory bucket seat and console car. It's just a nice car. Bucket seats, console. How nice that steering wheel is. Even like, you know, it's got the engine start instructions on it. All new legendary seat covers. 962 on your odometer. That's since the car's been restored. Factory dash. She's got some aftermarket Autometer tach gauges. Radio delete car. Said that radio delete plate there is worth about $300. Factory Hurst shifter. It's got TTI H pipe dual exhaust system in it. It is a Dana 411 sure grip rear end. I'm sorry, 410 sure grip rear end. Factory jack. Sorry guys, it's been kind of just dripping some rain in here. Factory jacks, got the bias ply spare. You can see it's all body color, like it's supposed to be. Original quarters. Like I say, it's got all the markings like if it just came out of the factory. Like I say, just really a good car. Correct chrome tips. I completely forgot. It comes with the matching numbers block. We do have the matching numbers block for this car. Nice little dust there, guys. See how nice that steering wheel is. The gauges are nice and clean. Go ahead and fire it up. It's actually a 493. It's a 440 block, but it's punched out to 493 cubic inches. And again, the original block does come with the car. And this thing hits. When I drove it, I didn't really, mash on it because you got some slippery roads, but this car felt good. I guarantee it'll get with the program. Pack's functional. Looks like all your gauges are working well, your temperature gauge and your oil pressure down there. Parking brake does work. Even the backup lights work. Car's got a good sound to it. No radio, but the blower motor does work. Your reverse light works. Again, it's radio delete car. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. Jordan, easy, you got wet tires. That's a pretty car. I love the contrast of that vinyl top, especially with the red lines. Yeah, I knew it. Have a great day, guys.